Ever wondered what you'd look like as a cute kid? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an adorable childlike transformation in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import them. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Body Effects. In there, go to the section of Roles. Browse through the available effect categories until you find Cute Kid or Kid. Tap the effect to preview it on your video. It will automatically adjust facial features to create a youthful, cartoon-like appearance while preserving your expressions. Once you're happy with the transformation, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag either end to make the effect shorter or longer. Play your video before exporting to see the final result. And that's it! That's how you instantly turn yourself into a cute kid in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.